Hello, in this video we'll focus on adding and multiplying binary numbers. To start out, we will learn how to add in binary since we will use that knowledge when we proceed to multiply in binary. To get started, we will look at some basic adding concepts. As we already know, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 0 plus 1 equals 1. Now, what if we take a look at 1 plus 1? A normal person would say that 1 plus 1 equals 2. But since we are using binary, how we solve this is by placing down a 0 and then carrying over a 1. This last digit just gets pushed down, and our answer is the binary number 1, 0, which in binary equals 2. Now that we have taken a look at some basic concepts, we can jump into some examples. We're going to start out by using the example 11 plus 9, which if we convert into binary, we get the following numbers. Now let's try to add them together. We start out with the rightmost column. In this case, we have 1 plus 1. We put down a 0 and carry over a 1. Now we have 1 plus 1 plus 0, which is again a 0 carrying over a 1. Now 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0, carrying over a 1, which gets pushed down at the end. Now our answer is the binary number 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, and if we look at our table, we can see that we have 1, 16, 0, 8, 1, 4, 0, 2, and 0, 1. So we have 1, 16 and 1, 4. If we add that together, we get 20. And we can check our answer by looking at our decimal numbers, which is 11 and 9, added together, and we also get 20. Let's take a look at one more example. In this case, we'll do 13 plus 16. If we convert these numbers into binary, we get the following numbers. Now if we add them together, we get 1 plus 0, which is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 just gets pushed down. Our answer is the binary number 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, which in decimal equals 29. We proceed to confirm our answer with the decimal numbers 13 plus 16, which are also equal 29. Now that we have taken a look at how to add binary numbers, let's take a look at multiplication. We're going to look at one simple example. We're going to multiply the binary numbers 1, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 1. These numbers in decimal are just 4 times 5. So let's start out. We take this first number and multiply it times 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now that we move to the second digit, we put down a 0 and start multiplying. 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, and 0 times 1 is 1. We move to the third digit and we put down 2 zeros. Now we multiply. 1 times 0 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0. I'm sorry, this was also 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now that we have multiplied out all our numbers, we can proceed to add them together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Same thing here, 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. And this last one just gets pushed down. Our answer is the binary number 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, which in decimal equals 20. We proceed to confirm our answer by multiplying our decimal numbers 4 times 5, which is also equal to 20. Now let's move to another example. In this case, we'll multiply out the binary numbers 1, 0, 0, 1 times 1, 1, 0. In decimal, that is just multiplying out 9 times 6. So let's get started. 0 times 1 is 0, and any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So we have 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 0, 0, 0 times 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now we move to the second digit, we put down a 0. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. We move to the third digit and we put down 2 zeros. Now we multiply. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now we proceed to add them all together, and we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, and 1 plus 0 is 1, and this last one digit just gets pushed down. This is our answer, which is the binary number 110110. And if we look at our table, we know that we have 132, 116, 0, 8, 1, 4, 1, 2, and 0, 1, which in decimal equals 54. We can proceed to check our answer by just multiplying out the decimal numbers. 9 times 6, which is also equals 54. In this video, we have taken a look at how to add and multiply in binary. Now you're ready to do it on your own, and thank you for watching.